Today is a big day for Sarah. She is going on a trip. She is flying to London. Sarah takes a taxi to the airport. She gets out of the taxi and takes her suitcase. She looks up at the big airport building. It is very big. Sarah feels a little nervous, but she is happy too. She walks through the big glass doors. Inside, the airport is busy. There are many people, many signs, and many shops. Sarah looks around. Where does she go? She is not sure. Sarah sees an information desk. She walks to the desk. A friendly woman looks up and smiles.
Good morning. Can I help you? Good morning. Yes, please. Where is check-in? Check-in is on the second floor. Take the escalator and follow the departure signs. Thank you.
Sarah feels better now. She takes the escalator to the second floor. On the second floor, Sarah finds the check-in counters. She walks to the right counter. A woman in a blue uniform stands behind the counter. Her name is Lisa.
Good morning. Are you ready to check in?
Yes, I have a flight to London.
Perfect. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Lisa looks at the passport. She types on her computer.
Thank you, Sarah. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Sarah lifts her suitcase onto the scale. It is a little heavy.
Is it okay? Is it too heavy?
It's 20 kilos. That's fine.
Sarah feels happy. Lisa prints a boarding pass and gives it to her.
Here is your boarding pass. Your seat is 14A.
14A. Thank you. Where do I go next?
Go to security, follow the signs, then passport control.
Thank you so much.
Now the airline has Sarah's suitcase. Sarah has only her backpack. She walks to security.
At security, there is a long belt and many gray trays. A security officer stands there. His name is Tom.
Next, please. Please remove your shoes.
Oh, okay.
Sarah takes off her shoes and puts them in a tray.
Put your bag in the tray, and your phone, your keys, all small items.
Like this?
And your laptop. Please take it out and put it in a separate tray.
Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
Sarah takes out her laptop. Now everything is ready. Sarah walks through the scanner. Beep! A red light. Oh no.
Do you have a belt?
Yes, sorry about that.
Sarah takes off her belt. She walks through again. This time, no beep. Green light.
Good. You can go. Collect your things on the other side.
Thank you.
Sarah takes her bag, her shoes, and her laptop. She is doing very well.
Next, Sarah goes to passport control. A man sits behind a glass window. His name is James. He wears glasses.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Good morning. Here you are.
James looks at the passport. He looks at Sarah. He looks at the passport again.
Where are you traveling to today?
I'm going to London.
What is the purpose of your trip?
I'm going on holiday.
How long will you stay?
1 week.
James takes a stamp. He stamps the passport.
Thank you. Everything is fine. Have a good trip.
Thank you very much.
Now, Sarah walks into a big, bright hall. The sun shines through the tall windows. Sarah stops. She looks up at a big departure board. There are many flights on the board. She looks for her flight. She finds it. Flight TK204, London, gate B12. Sarah looks at her boarding pass, then at the board again. Yes, that's her flight. Sarah smiles. She puts her boarding pass in her pocket. She is ready. She walks to the gate.
Sarah arrives at gate B12. She finds a seat and sits down. She puts her backpack on her lap. Sarah looks out of the big window. She can see an airplane. It is white and blue. Soon she will be on that plane. She feels excited. Then a voice speaks over the loudspeaker.
Good morning, passengers. This is a boarding announcement for flight TK204 to London. We are now ready to board. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready.
That's her flight! Sarah opens her backpack quickly. She takes out her passport and her boarding pass. She stands up. She puts her backpack on her back. Sarah takes a deep breath and smiles. This is it! Sarah walks to the gate. A young woman in a blue uniform stands there. Her name is Mia. She smiles.
Good morning. Can I see your boarding pass, please? Good morning. Yes, here it is.
Mia scans the boarding pass. Beep! A green light.
Thank you. And your passport, please? Of course. Here you are.
Mia looks at the passport. Then she smiles.
Perfect. You are in seat 14A. That's a window seat. Oh, I love window seats. Welcome aboard, Sarah. Walk through here and follow the signs to the plane. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. You too. Enjoy London.
Sarah walks to the gate door. She stops and looks back. She waves goodbye and smiles. Then Sarah walks down the long corridor to the plane. Her trip is beginning. Goodbye, Sarah. Have a wonderful holiday in London.